What's the meaning of coaching in? Coaching in. Coaching in.
Coaching in. Coaching in. A coaching inn is a type of historical British establishment. It provided food, drink, and lodging to travelers and their horses during long-distance journeys. Coaching inns were strategically located along major routes, and served as a popular stop for coaches and carriages. These inns had large stables and ample accommodation for both people and animals. They played an important role in the development of transportation networks and the growth of towns and villages throughout history. Today, some have been preserved as historic landmarks or repurposed into hotels and restaurants.